G'day YouTube, and today I'll be learning the art of welding. Okay, so here's the deal. I've never welded in my entire life. Of course, that's not entirely true. I did do this thing right here, which was a moderate success, not really that much. You know, my first attempts didn't really go that well, and it was quite difficult.
You're awful.
You suck!
But I think I've gotten the hang of it. And here's what I've learned. First things first, always wear the appropriate safety gear.
Protective clothing, shoes, leather gloves, and of course a welding helmet.
Very important. Always keep the positive and negative electrodes away from each other.
Add the clamp to the piece of steel, turn the machine on, and gently tap the welding rod to start welding.
Oh, this you crazy mother...
Now these electrodes are made up of two parts. A smaller metal rod, which conducts the electricity, and then an outer part, which I believe reacts and melts. Now sometimes what happens is, as you are welding, the inner part melts quicker than the outer part. If this problem happens, just tap it on the floor. This will expose the inner part of the rod. Okay, I think I've gotten the hang of it, and it's a lot of fun once you get going. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and if you want to see some of my other videos, click right here.